7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Avery County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north-central Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moxville, or near Coalimi, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Coalimi, Woodleaf, and Fort Church. Flood advisory in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern